Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 90-day fiance Jay, who is a Jamaican that was on the popular TV show. He is in ICE custody facing deportation, and this is very sad, but this needs to be addressed. So let's get into the story. It says 90-Day Fiance star Jay Smith was taken into ICE custody on Wednesday, July 3rd for violating a protection from abuse order. His estranged wife, Ashley Martin, filed on Monday, July 1st. Jay is being held in the York County Prison in Pennsylvania. Jay, 21, was in the United States under a K-1 visa, which allows someone to enter the country under the condition they married their American citizen partner within 90 days. Although Jay and Ashley tied the knot in May of 2018 within the mandated period of time, she never filed an adjustment of his status, so he doesn't have a green card. He now faces being sent back to his native Jamaica. Jay turned himself into the authorities when he learned he had a warrant for his arrest for violating the protection of abuse order Ashley put in place. As fans of the show know, just days after their Las Vegas wedding, Ashley caught Jay talking to other women on the dating app Tinder. Their volatile relationship has played out on the hit TLC show. Ashley filed for divorce from Jay January 11, 2019, but withdrew her paperwork just one day later. She filed for divorce for a second time on April 25th, 2019. Jay remains in custody as the deportation process can take 6 to 8 months. Ashley in New York is going to take the 4th of July holiday to focus on herself and her kids and just not try to worry about it. They'll both be in court on Tuesday and Wednesday, a rep for Jay and Ashley said in a statement to AMI. I watched 2 episodes of this whole 90-Day Fiance thing because I think somebody in my comment section told me that a Jamaican was on it, and I took the time out to actually watch it because it looked like an interesting show. The 2 episodes that I watched, I was like, this is not going to turn out good. One of the episodes I remember very vividly, he was sitting in a barber's chair talking to some men in the barber shop, and they were asking him if he's ready, if he really loves her, and all those answers were he don't know or no. So you're on a TV show saying that you don't know if you want to marry to somebody you're engaged to. You took these people's K-1 visa to come over here to do what exactly? That doesn't make any sense to me. If you know you don't, if you are not in love with the person, you don't know if you want to get married to them, why take the visa? Why make her go through all that trouble to put in your paperwork, get you a visa for you to come over here and get married to her? That doesn't make any sense. If you wasn't sure, you should have stayed where you were at. And also, I blame Ashley. Who gets engaged to a guy they met 7 days, in 7 days? Like, that Monday don't make yet, okay? That Monday don't depend God land. That I'm going to meet in 7 days, get engaged to, and then want to get married in 90 days. That right there, she needs to take all the blame, all the responsibility for that one. That was her mistake. And she is older than him. Why do you think a Jamaican male who is in his 20s are going to want to settle down and be a husband and all? Like, he's not ready. And from the show, you could tell that he wasn't ready. at all whatsoever. And they're saying that Ashley didn't want him to go anywhere. They wanted him to stay in the house all the time, wash, cook and clean, and be a house husband. Mother used to say, you know, have to run for good. So if that's what she wanted, and you wanted your citizenship or you wanted your permanent resident card, then all you had to do was ease yourself. But no, you come over here and did the stereotypical thing that a Jamaican man would do. Come over here, act a fool, and think you are gonna get away with it. And not only that, you acted a fool on national television. It's not like you're acting a fool and no one is watching. You're acting a fool and the whole US is watching. That don't make no type of sense whatsoever. And if I was your mom, when I come home, would I make you suffer a little bit? Because a lot of people would be very happy for an opportunity to come over here and essentially change their life forever. And not only change their life when they come over here, they go back home and change their family members' life, because you're in a position now to help other people. You may not have a lot, but you have enough for yourself and have enough to help others. So honestly, I feel sorry for him, but there comes a time when you need to take responsibility for your action. She had a restraining order against him and he broke that restraining order. What do you think was gonna happen? You're gonna get off scotch-free? This is not Jamaica, where domestic disputes are looked upon like it's nothing and they just skim over it because it's not a murder, it's not a shooting, it's not a gun them fine. Over here, domestic disputes are top priority, and you may get away with domestic disputes in Jamaica, but over here now get away with it. And then you had the nerve to break your restraining order. Are you? Me never wish deportation on anybody at all whatsoever, but in his case, he needs to take accountability for his actions and the part that he played, because he's not innocent in this. And I know Ashley was an idiot for getting engaged to him in 7 days and thinking that a 20-something-year-old was ready for marriage and all these things. But there are actually some young people that are ready for that. There are some young people that is mature enough for that type of lifestyle, and Jay is not it whatsoever. So I hope everything goes in his favor and he's able to stay here and learn from his mistakes. But with the way that certain stuff is going on now, I highly doubt it, especially with the whole domestic violence. It says, don't run, stay calm. Running may be seen as an admission of guilt. Don't carry false documents. Providing false documents to ICE may result in deportation and criminal charges. Do not interfere with ICE agents. Interfering with ICE agents during a workplace raid may expose you to criminal charges. Do not sign anything you don't want to sign or don't understand. Think twice before signing anything without talking to a lawyer. Signing a paper may end up being an agreement to voluntarily leave the United States. Consulting with a lawyer before signing anything is the best way to protect your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the constitutional right to remain silent and to refuse to answer questions. If you want to exercise your right to remain silent, show ICE you know your rights card. Keep important phone numbers with you. Keep the phone number of your union and legal service provider with you. Go to iamerica.org or download the Know Your Rights card for the list of legal service providers. So that is what they say you're supposed to do if ICE comes to your house. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that Jay is going to get deported back to Jamaica? Do you think it's Jay's fault because he just wasn't ready and they put him in a rock and a hard place. Do you think it's Ashley's fault? Do you think it's both of them fault? Because I personally do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. And before I forget again, we have new merch available both on my channel and also on hubby's channel, so please support our merch. Thank you very much. The new merch is not showing underneath our videos. We don't know why, but if you click on the store link on all our videos, you'll see the new ones that are available. So support the thing. Buy a piece of merch, buy a shirt, wear it, and send me a picture.